Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Ollama and LM Studio. In order to do so, here we are at lmstudio.ai and we're also at ollama.com. According to Cider AI, when comparing Ollama and LM Studio, it's important to highlight their key differences and determine which might better suit your needs. Here's a breakdown. Ollama is primarily designed as a tool for running and managing large language models with ease. It allows users to quickly deploy and interact with models locally. It features a command line interface that simplifies the process of downloading, running, and interacting with LLMs. It features local model hosting, allowing for privacy and speed. It supports various models that can be run on local hardware and easily integrates with development tools for consistent workflows. LM Studio, on the other hand, is aimed more at developers and teams looking to build applications powered by language models. It offers a platform for fine-tuning models and experimenting with LLMs. It often provides more graphical tools and interfaces, making it easier for teams to collaborate on projects. It features advanced capabilities for model training and fine-tuning and collaborative features for team projects. It often includes built-in analytics for performance tracking. Key differences include the target audience. Ollama may be more suited for individual developers or those needing quick access to models without heavy lifting. In contrast, LM Studio caters to teams and developers who are looking to build more sophisticated applications. If you need advanced training and collaboration tools, LM Studio could be more beneficial. For straightforward deployment and interaction with LLMs, Ollama shines. Your choice between Ollama and LM Studio will depend on your specific needs, whether you prioritize easy local access to models or more robust development and collaboration capabilities. That is basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find a link to our X account. We're just getting started there. We'd love to have you. We also have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, and discount code SkillCraft60 will give you 60% off your Sintra subscription. Also, you can find links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.